Hi guys, welcome back to Dude's Tech. Today we're exploring the best mini home NAS that delivers incredible storage, fast performance, and effortless file management for every home or small office setup. If you want a centralized system to keep your media, work files, and backups organized, this one is a must-see. Let's get started. The Ugreen DXP 4800P Mini Home NAS is designed to handle heavy storage demands with ease. It comes with 4 SATA bays, each capable of supporting up to 30 terabytes, and 2 M.2 NVMe SSD slots that handle 8 terabytes each. That means when fully equipped, you can reach an astonishing total capacity of 76 terabytes. This is perfect for storing large media collections, work documents, and personal archives without worrying about running out of space. The combination of SATA drives for bulk storage and NVMe SSDs for high-speed access ensures that your files are not only safe, but also quickly available whenever you need them. Under the hood, the DXP 4800P is powered by a 12th Gen 4-core Intel processor, delivering smooth and reliable performance. This means even when you are transferring large files, streaming high-definition videos, or accessing data from multiple devices at the same time, the NAS keeps everything seamless and responsive. The powerful processor also ensures that intensive tasks like simultaneous backups or media transcoding happen without lag, making your home or small office setup feel fast and efficient. Ugreen also focuses on simplicity with its dedicated app, which makes managing storage extremely easy. You can organize, access, and share files from your Android or iOS device, Windows or Mac computer, web browser, and even smart TVs. The app provides a clean and intuitive interface that removes the need for complex third-party software, so anyone in the household can access content quickly and without frustration. This ensures that whether it's family photos, movies, or work documents, everything is just a few taps away. Security and reliability are equally impressive. With built-in support from multiple drives, the Ugreen DXP 4800P provides redundancy and data protection options so you can feel confident that your important files are safe. High-quality components and robust construction also ensure that the NAS operates quietly and efficiently, maintaining optimal performance even under heavy use. This attention to design and durability makes it a dependable choice for continuous operation in home or office environments. Design-wise, the Ugreen DXP 4800P Mini Home NAS balances functionality with style. Its compact and well-ventilated chassis allows for easy placement in any room while keeping internal temperatures stable. The intuitive layout of the drive bays and ports simplifies installation, and the NAS integrates neatly into your workspace without occupying excessive space. Every aspect, from capacity to performance to user experience, has been carefully engineered to make managing digital life smooth and enjoyable. Overall, the Ugreen DXP 4800P Mini Home NAS offers a combination of massive storage, fast processing, seamless connectivity, and user-friendly software, making it a standout solution for anyone looking to centralize their digital content at home. Whether for media streaming, backups, or file sharing, it provides the performance, reliability, and ease of use that modern digital lifestyles demand. This NAS really takes home storage to the next level. Check the price link in the description and explore it for yourself. Like and subscribe to Dude's Tech for more amazing tech insights and updates.